Welcome to Rust by Examples, Lesson 12. Today we're building a Regex text matcher. We'll extract emails and URLs from text files. The Regex crate is Rust's most popular library. Use Regex new to compile your pattern. Raw strings with R prefix avoid escape issues. Key methods include _match, find, and captures. Here are common Regex pattern building blocks. \W matches word characters. \D matches digits. \S whitespace. Parentheses create capture groups for extraction. Let's create our Regex matcher project. Cargo new creates the project structure. Now we add the Regex crate as a dependency. Cargo toml shows the Regex crate is added. The default main prints hello world. Cargo run confirms everything works. Now let's create sample data with emails and URLs. We'll use NVIM to create the sample file. Adding conference, contact information, a title line at the top. Including email addresses for organizers. Adding registration links with HTTPS URLs, multiple link formats to test our patterns. And speaker contact emails. Adding support email at the end. Our sample file is ready for pattern matching. Now let's write code to find email patterns. We import Regex and the file system module. First, read the sample file into a string. Using expect for simple error handling. Create a Regex pattern for basic email format. \W plus matches one or more word characters. The @ symbol and dot are literal characters. Now we check if the pattern matches. IsMatch returns true if the pattern exists. The find method returns the first match. We extract the matched text with as string. This prints the first email found. Saving our basic Regex matching code. Let's run our basic Regex matcher. Cargo compiles and runs the program. It found email addresses in the file. The first match is Alice at techconf.com. Our pattern matching works perfectly. Now let's extract all emails and URLs. We'll use capture groups for better extraction. The email pattern has two capture groups. Parentheses define each capture group. Group 1 captures the username before @. Group 2 captures the domain after @. Adding a URL pattern for HTTP and HTTPS links. The question mark makes S optional for HTTP. **S matches non-white space. Plus means one or more characters. Captures iter loops through all matches. We access groups with bracket notation. Enumerate adds the index for numbering. Find iter gets all URL matches, printing each URL with its number. Saving our comprehensive extraction code. Let's run the extraction demo. All email addresses are extracted. Each shows the user and domain separately. We found 7 email addresses total and 5 URLs including HTTP and HTTPS. Capture groups were great for parsing. Finally, let's see search and replace. The complete code adds replace all functionality. It extracts emails and URLs into vectors, using map and collect for clean iteration. Replace all substitutes matching text. We replace emails with a redacted placeholder. Running the complete program now. 7 emails and 5 URLs extracted. The redacted output shows email replaced text. Regex is powerful for text processing. Let's recap what we learned. The Regex crate handles pattern matching. Regex New compiles your patterns. Is match checks if a pattern exists. Find iter and captures iter get all matches. Replace all enables search and replace. Thanks for watching Lesson 12. Next up, CLI arguments with clap.